I am a strong woman. People often don't recognize my vulnerability. You see, at times, my strength works against me. People assume I'll always be all right. They safely assume I don't have needs. They don't see my vulnerability. Empaths repeat after me, especially the strong women out there. This is one of the reasons our narcissistic friends target you. Often strong women don't see their own vulnerability. When you fail to see your own vulnerability, you dehumanize yourself. Strong women, you are not a machine. You are not a robot. You are human, and humans have needs. Now, sadly, what happens when our narcissistic friends devour us, or maybe we fall in love with them? They tap into our vulnerability. They tap into our weaknesses, and it's okay. It's good for us to acknowledge our vulnerable side. Being perpetually strong ain't great for your greatness. And so as this relationship takes its toll and we become increasingly discombobulated and confused, you are now presented with an opportunity, if you choose, to do deeper inner work, to get to understand the part of you that disregarded your vulnerable side. And I know many of us are scared. It shows up time and time again in a therapy room with the strong woman syndrome. We must acknowledge our vulnerability. Our vulnerability can often be linked to a difficult childhood where we were vulnerable and our needs weren't met. And somewhere on our timeline, we made a commitment to ourselves that no one would ever have that power over us, that we would look after ourselves, and we have done a valiant job. However, your strength can make you desirable to particularly manipulative types. They may like to pursue you and then devour you. And when you get weak and attached, they may discard you. And that is painful. And it's okay, because it's all a part of the mind games. But if you take it as an opportunity to begin to explore your vulnerability, it can be a game changer. Because often we as strong women, we learn that we can't depend on anybody. We don't have shoulders to lean on. There is no cavalry, there is no backup for us. And these people can come along, these narcissistic individuals can come along and decimate. And if we're not careful, they can knock us off our block. Not great for our greatness. But dear strong woman, take this as an opportunity for self-reflection and also a time to pause and a time to stop. You see, the strong woman is always perpetually busy and distracted. And sometimes we need to take time out. This is particularly problematic when we are always outcome orientated. We don't know how to be. We don't even know how to be idle. Our diary is always packed. We're always achieving from one goal to the next. And this can take its toll, especially when these relationships are right on the heart of our vulnerability. And if this speaks to you and you regard yourself as a strong woman, and you're struggling with the fact that you have fallen for someone with a very difficult personality, and yes, you feel weak, it's okay, my sister, or my brother. That makes sense. You're not alone. Take this as an opportunity for deep self-reflection and to start to look into your shadow. Make sense? Need help? Go to the bio. If this resonates, give your girl Kia a repost. It will help.